friends, today I will be telling you how to download MinGW software, a compiler to execute C++ programs. Let's see how to download. You have seen many videos on YouTube regarding this, but I will be showing you the easier method to solve this. Let's see. First, you have to open Chrome or any other browser of your choice and type MinGW 18.0 without git exe. You have to type MinGW 18.0 without git exe and you have to hit enter. Then you have to go to first website which is nuwn.net. Okay, then we have to click it. After clicking, you will see this interface. After here, like this, it will be okay. Then you have to download MinGW 18.0 without git. After clicking, you will download the setup of it. Okay. After downloading, you will found it in your download folder or where you used to see your downloads. Let's go and see mine. It is here. Double click on it to open, and you have to set a path where you need to extract data. And I have already extracted it. Then you have to click extract and it will automatically extract it. Okay. And it is recommended you to download it in the C drive. Downloading it, click on extract, and let's now come to there where you have extract the file. I have extracted in the C folder, and I also recommend you to extract it in C drive. Okay, let's open it. Click on bin, and then after you have to click here in the address menu. After clicking, you will find the address of this where the bin is located. You have to copy the file so that we can paste it in environment of the desktop. Let's see where it's the environment. Search setting. In setting, search PNVIRO. Edit the system environment variable. You will find this interface. Click on environment variables. Now you have to click on the path. After double clicking it, you have to click here in the new line and Control V it, means paste it like this. I have already pasted above, so I am pasting. Okay. Then click OK. Then click OK and click OK. And close everything. Then go to CMD, command prompt, so that you can find whether we have installed MinGW or not. Type G++. If error is also yours, then it means it has completely installed it. After doing all these, you have to open VS Code. Whether you will be testing where I have installed MinGW, a compiler for C++ or not. Let's see. Create a new file. Select a language, C++. But wait, you have to install an extension for C++, which you will found in the extension. This one, C++. This extension you have to install it. Click on install. It will be like this. Install. Then click on it. Okay. I already installed it. Okay. And after installing C++ extension, you have to install Code Runner extension. And like this, you can find it icon like this. And after that, you have to install Live Server. Okay. After that, close it, and means you have to, and you can slide it like this, and go to setting and search for Code Runner Terminal. It will be like this, and you have to check it. And after that, you have to close all. After closing all, you are ready. Let's write a C++ program. After writing the code of C++, you have to click on this play button, which is run code. After clicking, you will find your message which you have written above. It means that the compiler is successfully working and we have installed it correctly. And it is working correctly. It means that we are ready for executing C++ programs.
And at last, like the video if you like the content and subscribe my channel. Thank you.